We hear the word ya in Arabic all the time. Ya Allah, Ya طالبنا العلم, Ya أيها الحكام, Ya حبيبتي. But what does ya actually mean? Welcome back to Arabic with Amina, your online Arabic teacher. In today's video, we're going to be tackling the vocative particle, ya. The title of this lesson would be al-nida, to call upon someone or something. Al-nida is composed of two parts. We have harf al-nida, the vocative article, and al-munada, that being called. We can take an example from English speech. Oh, Jonathan. The O would be harf al-nida, or the vocative particle, and Jonathan is the person we are calling, so that would be al-munada. In Arabic, each vocative particle differs whether you can use it to call someone who is nearby or someone who is far away. The distance of the person you are calling matters when choosing which particle to use. These are the vocative particles in Arabic. A vocative particle in English would be equivalent to saying, for example, Hey Muhammad, or Oh Muhammad. We're going to be focusing on the vocative particle ya. Ya can be used to call someone, whether that person is nearby or if the person is far away. It can be used for both distances. For example, we can say, انتظر يا أحمد. Wait, Ahmed. Notice how in English we didn't translate the ya part. That's because it's not commonly used in English, but you would use it when speaking Arabic. انتظر يا أحمد. Another example would be, يا أستاذ أعرف الجواب. Teacher, I know the answer. Again, notice how we didn't translate the ya part. A third example would be, يا سائق الحافلة توقف. Oh, bus driver, stop. I included a translation in this example. For instance, we may use oh when we're calling out to the bus driver. However, I would say that these particles aren't commonly used in English. These were the three examples we used. I want you to take a close look at al-munada, which is the person we are calling upon. Do you notice anything? All of the people we called upon are not defined by the definite article al-ta'rif. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have a video covering that topic. It's another lesson. Let me explain through examples. Here is another example using the vocative particle ya. Ya hukam a'dilu. O rulers, be just. Al-munada, the person we are calling, is the word hukam, rulers. It does not have al-ta'rif added to it. And if it did, this sentence, Ya al-Hukkam a'dilu, would be incorrect. We cannot have alla ta'rif after ya. But what if we need it? How can we use ya? How can we call upon them? We would use another word between the two. So here we have Ya ayyuhal hukam a'dilu. We inserted the word ayyuha between the vocative particle harf al-nida and al-munada, that which is being called. Ayyuha is used for masculine words, and the equivalent for feminine words or nouns would be ayyatuha. So for example, Ya ayyatuha sayyidat, ladies. When do we use this type of speech? When do we want to insert the word ayyuha or ayyatuha? Obviously, if the word has alla ta'rif, the definite article attached to it. But this type of speech is used to emphasize and grab attention even more. For example, when giving a speech, for greater emphasis and impact. We can also use these words without the particle ya. أيتها السيدات أيها الحكام. In fact, this type of speech is used frequently in the Quran. There are many verses in the Quran that say, Ya أيها الذين آمنوا, O you who believe. Another verse that is commonly found in the Quran is Ya ayyuhan nas, O mankind. There's even an example for the feminine word ayyatuha. Ya ayyatuhan nafsul mutma'inna. Notice how al-munada in each verse, those which is being called upon, all of them have al-tarif, the definite article al. And that is a brief lesson on the usage and meaning of ya, which is one of the vocative particles. Again, we said that there are multiple particles which can be used to call upon people. This video only focuses on ya. If you want to know all the other different particles, I will have another video on that. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to subscribe so you're notified when it comes out. See you next time. Arabic with Amina.